How do I create a second Instagram account with the same email? Open the Instagram application and log in on the account that you want to do it with. Then tap on your profile. Here, tap on the menu icon and scroll down to last. Here you can see add account option. Tap on it and you'll get option login into existing account or create a new account. Tap on create a new account and choose a username that you may want to use. And then tap on next and create a new password which is easy to remember and strong as well. And then complete your sign up. After some second, your account will be registered and then you can tap on continue to get suggestions. For now, I'm gonna skip. On next, you can allow access to your contacts to make friends. I'm gonna skip it again. And then you can choose your profile picture and you may follow the people you wanna be friends with. Then you may follow the people. For now, I'm gonna skip it again. And then there you go. You've successfully created a second account with the same email ID.